Now we learn another method called substitution method by solving exercise 4.2. Question 1. Solve. Equation 1 as 2x plus 3y is equal to minus 4. Equation 2 as x minus 5y is equal to 11. Step 1. In this method, we express x in terms of y using any equation. We can also express y in terms of x. We then use this value in the second equation and solve it like a linear equation since equation 2 is simple. So we get x is equal to 11 plus 5y. Step 2. Substitute x as 11 plus 5y in equation 1 and solve y like any linear equation. 2x plus 3y is equal to minus 4. 2 into 11 plus 5y plus 3y is equal to minus 4. Therefore, 22 plus 10y plus 3y is equal to minus 4. Therefore, 13y is equal to minus 4 minus 22 is equal to minus 26. Now we get y is equal to minus 2. We proceed to find x is equal to 11 plus 5y is equal to 11 plus 5 into minus 2 is equal to 11 minus 10 is equal to 1. Thus, we get x is equal to 1 and y is equal to minus 2. We write in ordered pair as into bracket 1 minus 2. Question 2. Solve. Equation 1 as 2x minus y minus 3 is equal to 0. Equation 2 as 4x minus y minus 5 is equal to 0. Step 1. Students always use an equation which can be used easily to express one variable in terms of another. Thus, we use 2x minus y minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, 2x minus 3 is equal to y. This is equation 1. Step 2. Now we substitute y is equal to 2x minus 3 in equation 2. We get 4x minus y minus 5 is equal to 0. Statement 2. 4x minus 2x minus 3 minus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore, 4x minus 2x plus 3 minus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore, 2x minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, 2x is equal to 2. Therefore, x is equal to 1. Let us substitute value of x in one of the equations. Let us substitute in equation 1. We get 2 multiplied by 1 minus 3 is equal to y. Therefore, y is equal to minus 1. Solution set is 1 and minus 1. Let us solve exercise 4.3. Question 1. Find the value of x plus y and x minus y from the examples given below without solving for x and y. 1. 4x plus 3y is equal to 24. 2. 3x plus 4y is equal to 25. Step 1. Add equation 1 and equation 2. 4x plus 3y is equal to 24 plus 3x plus 4y is equal to 25. We get 7x plus 7y is equal to 49. Now remember to find the common factor. Here 7 is the common factor. 7x plus 7y is equal to 49 upon 7. Hence we divide the equation by 7. We get x plus y is equal to 7. Step 2. To find the value of x minus y, 4x plus 3y is equal to 24 minus 3x plus 4y is equal to 25. We subtract equation 2 from equation 1. Hence, we change the sign accordingly. Hence, we get the result as x minus y is equal to minus 1. So, the value are x plus y is equal to 7. X minus y is equal to minus 1. Question 2. Solve the following simultaneous equation. Equation 1. 3x plus 4y is equal to 18. Equation 2. 4x plus 3y is equal to 17. Step 1. We first find the value of x plus y and then find the value of x minus y. Add equation 1 and equation 2. 3x plus 4y is equal to 18 plus 4x plus 3y is equal to 17. We get 7x plus 7y is equal to 35. Here we have a common factor which is 7. So we get x plus y is equal to 5. This is equation 3. Now subtract the equation 1 from equation 2. 4x plus 3y is equal to 17 minus 3x plus 4y is equal to 18. Thus we get x minus y is equal to minus 1. Let us call this equation as 4. Step 2. We call these new equations x plus y is equal to 5 as equation 3 and x minus y is equal to minus 1 as equation 4. Now proceed to find x and y. Step 3. Add equation 3 and equation 4 to eliminate y. We get x plus y is equal to 5. X minus y is equal to minus 1. Therefore, 2x is equal to 4. Therefore, we get x is equal to 2. Substitute the value of x in equation 3 to find y. Therefore, 2 plus y is equal to 5. Therefore, y is equal to 5 minus 2. Therefore, we get y is equal to 3. Hence, the solution set in ordered pair is bracket 2, 3. Question 3. Let us solve the following equation which is slightly different since the coefficients are in fraction. Equation 1 as 3 upon 2 into x plus 2 upon 3 into y is equal to 13 into 1 upon 3. Equation 2 as 2 upon 3 into x plus 3 upon 2 into y is equal to 8 into 1 upon 3. Step 1. We first convert the improper fractions to proper fractions in equation 1 and equation 2. We now simplify equation 1 and equation 2 by removing the denominator. We multiply equation 1 with the LCM, which is 6. We get 9x plus 4y is equal to 80 as equation 3. Similarly, we multiply equation 2 with the LCM, which is 6. We get 4x plus 9y is equal to 50, which is equation 4. Step 2. We now find the value of x plus y and x minus y using equations 3 and 4. 9x plus 4y is equal to 80. 4x plus 9y is equal to 50. Now we add equation 3 and equation 4. 9x plus 4y is equal to 80 plus 4x plus 9y is equal to 50. We get 13x plus 13y is equal to 130. By dividing 13, we get, therefore, x plus y is equal to 10. We call this equation 6. Now, subtract equation 4 from equation 3. We get 9x plus 4y is equal to 80 minus 4x plus 9y is equal to 50. Change the sign. 5x minus 5y is equal to 30. By dividing common factor 5, we get, therefore we get x minus y is equal to 6. We call this equation 7. Step 3. Now we use equations 6 and 7 to find the value of x and y. X plus y is equal to 10. X minus y is equal to 6. Add equations 6 and 7, we get x is equal to 8. Substitute for x in an easy equation, which is equation 6. X plus y is equal to 10. X minus y is equal to 6. 2x is equal to 16. Therefore, x is equal to 8. Substitute x is equal to 8 in equation 6. X plus y is equal to 10. Therefore, 8 plus y is equal to 10. Therefore, y is equal to 10 minus 8 is equal to 2. Therefore, the solution set is 8, 2.